Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful, this is Mavish Rana with another video. I hope you are watching my videos, and by watching my videos, you would be able to understand about parts of speech. And today, my topic is adverbs. In this video, you will learn about introduction to adverbs, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, and conclusion. Then I will ask some questions and you will answer these questions. First of all, I will define adverb. Adverb are what style words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing crucial details about manner, time, place, frequency, or degree. Adverbs of manners. Adverb of manners illustrate how an action is performed, enriching narratives with vivid imagery and nuance, like swiftly, gracefully, enthusiastically. Adverbs of time denote when an action occurs, offering temporal context and coherence to disclosure. For example, yesterday, now, and soon. The usage of these adverbs, they establish timelines and sequence events guiding the reader or listener through the narrative chronologically. Adverbs of place specify where an action unfolds, anchoring descriptions in tangible settings and locales. For example, here, there, and everywhere. The usage of these adverbs, they transport readers to different environments, fostering immense storytelling and conceptual awareness. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action transfers, shaping the rhythm and tempo of communication. For example, always, occasionally, seldom. The usage of these adverbs, they infuse prose with dynamism, portraying habits, routines with precision. Let's talk about adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree quantify or intensify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, amplifying expression and emphasis. For example, very, quite, extremely. The usage of these adverbs to add subtle shades of strength and importance for language. Let's talk about placement of adverbs. Like adverbs typically modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs and are positioned accordingly within the sentence. Like when placed before the verb, adverbs often emphasize the action, as in, she quickly ran to catch the bus, compared to she ran quickly to catch the bus, where the emphasis on the speed of the action. Conclusively, adverbs are powerful tools in communication. Use them wisely to captivate and persuade. Keep practicing to improve your language skill. Do you have any questions about adverbs? Feel free to ask and I will be happy to clarify and doubts you may have. Thank you for joining today class. Thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Stay connected with Lingua Insights with more interesting videos in a very simple way with Mahvish. I hope you will like this video. Have a blessed day ahead. Always be optimistic and believe in yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.